Hi, welcome. This is another sneak preview. What did I do? I installed ArcoLinuxB Gnome. This is Gnome. Okay, so Motor, the White Arc, Darks are the Arc, Kowake. So this is a different kind of terminal. I just made a video about terminals on Qtile, I think. It was. Really doesn't matter what system I'm on, what desktop it's on. It's Linux, it's fun. You click on Activities and you get this menu here and some more if you want to show the applications. Frequent or all of them. And then you scroll through, you have here some buttons, you scroll through and then you can choose. Now I see already we need some work here, so that's cool. And that one as well, that's not normal. So this is work for the Sardi designer, aka me. Now, can I fix this thing? Probably. Hardcode is not existent, there is no application available. So this is a minimal GNOME. So you'll get a ISO and mid-April and you can decide to install lots of stuff more. But I didn't, so I skipped everything and I have this minimal version available. But hardcode is maybe in here and the application is. So you don't see the app, but the application is there anyway. So sudo hardcode fixer, just run that. And it's gonna fix all the icons that are wrong. In this case, this is the one that's wrong, LSHW. It's not because I did anything, it's because the developer did something. So LSHW is now a nice, beautiful icon with, well, coming from Sardi. So it follows now the icon theme. It would also follow Numix. It would also follow the other one, Papyrus and so on. I guess I need to reboot because it still is in here, which is a bit strange actually, because we were typing here LSHW. That's the proper icon and it doesn't show it yet probably. But this one is strange, ghex. Ghex is providing a strange icon. So let's make this a video about icons. I just got a response of somebody says I have an application and it's not following the look. I want to have a similar look everywhere. Look, everything is working, everything is visible what I have on my network here. So where do you go? User, share, icons, and then you go in there. Don't know if that's a good one. Let's see. Okay, that's a good one. So double click, open it up. These are all the icons we have. Now, let's first solve our thing. So let's go for this hex thing. And for that one, I need to go to applications. I'll need to know first, applications, what this hex thing is. And this is why, as an icon developer, is why I hate it, because it doesn't show the icon at all. In all the others, you'll see it has a nice, beautiful icon, but it does not show it here. So I'm gonna look for hex. Maybe I can type it as well and look it like this. So maybe this org.gnome ghex desktop is changed. I will have an icon of ghex, but not for org.gnome capital letter ghex desktop. And that's what happens. So if that's not available, we don't see the icon that we are meant to see, but we get the icon that is provided in the other one, which is user share icons. And then it's probably going to go high color, and then in here somewhere is this icon of hx. Could be anywhere really. If we're lucky, it's gonna be in here. Hex. Here's org gnome ghex system. Seems like what's this? Shows me everything now. Not the one I wanted to see. Anyway, it's in there somewhere. I'm not gonna waste my time. But this is the icon. Oh, not that one. Let's try it again. And we get this. Strange. Anyway, ghex, right? That's the one we were looking for. This looks totally different. So he's getting the icon for somewhere else. He's getting it maybe from, I don't know, from another folder like 36, 48 and so on. We could analyze it if you really want to know. Maybe we could check it out with the update manager, software update, and then we go for hex. GNOME hex editor, dependencies, files. Where is this particular icon? You scroll through, help, icons. It's in high color, 16 by 16, 22 by 22, apps, org, ghex, and png. And we have a symbolic one. That's good to know for me as designer. SVGs are interesting. I can edit them, I can change them. PNG are rather fixed. I can do some things with it, some layers and so on, but SVG you can really change them. So I'll write it down on my to-do list for next month and fix this GNOME icon theme. But here it really is. So you definitely know where to find it always. So I move it out of the way. Probably gonna be a 48, I think. 48 apps. Here he is, a green guy. You see? So it doesn't look very big and grand now, but maybe we're looking at high color, scalable. All depends what size it is. And we must have some, we have this one here. Ah, this is a symbolic one. Okay, now I see it. It says size something there. That's a symbolic one. So that's a smaller icon. Okay, so we were looking at the right one. The 48 is probably the one we look at if we press here the button. And that's gonna be that one. Extensions, we could have a look at that as well. This is a bit strange. LSHW. Yeah, okay. Quit then. So sudo says he's best. It's okay. I've tested it without sudo. Give me the same information. Anyway, so this is leading us maybe a little bit too far away from the goal of the video, which is actually just showing you guys, hey, this is GNOME. GNOME can be built. ArcoLinuxB, right? Build your ISO, but we build it also for you, and then you can just run it, burn it on USB and run it. These are the software. That's the software that's coming from today, tomorrow. Does he know where I'm living? Yeah, Antwerp, Belgium. That's okay. But Fahrenheit is of course not correct. Really, don't you know? So it is indeed very sunny day. I took a little break from all building, and I'm back now. So there you are. Lots of stuff in here. We can play chess. No chess engine enabled. Let's see how we enable it. Preferences, human, no limits, simple, appearance. Okay. Don't they supply us with a little button? Would be nice. No, not if we click there. Don't think they do. Preferences, keyboard, help, about chess. Human sites. Simple and fancy. What's fancy? Okay, I rather like simple. Board numbering. Move hints. No, that's too bad. Why they don't supply some help? Control T. Sudo pacman. Oh my god. Sudo pacman -s. GNU chess. Nah. Now you have a backend. Let's start you again. Chess. He's not complaining anymore. So he says, I know what to do now. But is he playing or I'm playing against a man? I guess I'm playing abandoned game. I am playing against open game. No, that's something that you saved. Preferences. I want to play against, of course, open opposing player is GNU chess. That's good. So let's try again. Or should I? Probably gonna be need to abandon the game and try again. All right, black is thinking. That's what you need. Somebody on the other side who says, oh, look, a pawn coming forward. Let's do something. Right, so we have this line, that line is going to attack here. I'll do this, and so on and so on and so on. But you need to have GNU chess if you want to some kind of backend. And if you're into chess, I was looking up information about the backend. So Linux backend, GNU chess, others, right? Something like that. So GNU chess, how to install, set up multiple chess engines on Xboard. That's what you need to know, the chess engines. That's the correct word. Xboard is here. You need to know the engines, the names of the engines. I don't know one by heart, but there are 4, I guess. Control find engines. Let's see. Okay, we need a better look, better search. Now we know the words, Linux, and then engine. Still a bad search. Linux chess, oh, of course, I forgot the word chess there. Linux chess engine, best chess engine for Linux 2018 computer chess Reddit. Let's have a look. Out link on the wiki. Okay, no longer exists. Bummer. Suggestions. Those are guys I don't know, never seen before. But let's now go for chess engines. We know now the name, what we should look. GNU chess was installed. Stockfish is another one. I can use number 2. I can Sheng is another one, 7. Then so this one. I thought that was an engine. We'll see. Here's a Commodore engine, but it's out of date. Stockfish is another. That's number 19. And then you try them out, right? So these engines will be built. And if you're really into it, I think the sudo pacman as the Knights. So it's an application for chess on KDE plasma. Yep, a lot of stuff comes in. Who cares? It's your machine. You want to play chess. I think Knights gives you a nice engine backend control, if I remember correctly. So that's out. You can go down, minimize. You're out as well. Let's see, installed here. Nope, not yet. Now it's installed. And he's building. Let's wait for the engines to build. Because I believe that Knight is going to pick them up and then you can actually play against another player, right? Another artificial intelligence as backend, which makes it a little bit thrilling. Stockfish was already there. Okay, I have a Git version now. And that's that. Where's my Knight? That's my Knights. And in here was somewhere configure Knights. The computer engines. You see? So there's another one we could have installed. The crafty thing. So Stockfish and Sheng. Those guys are there. And I guess I'm wondering how to detect, add, remove. Just deleted something. And we can change the theme if you want to. I like this theme. No. That's a good theme. Get new themes, never done that. So we're now into knighting. Maybe I had a what if. Sorry to make the video longer, but well, it's just fun playing with all these things. I'm wondering, this is the look we have, right? That's the not the Arc theme look. If Quantum Manager is there, and if you know the application of this thing, and you say if you see nights safe, then I don't want to see this kind of look, this kind of design. What you want to see is this kind of design. I've just designed it so that nights could be a look having the look of Arc, which is our standard look. And that's why we have Quantum, to tell to all these applications, Simple Screen Recorder, QBTorrent, VLC, Flameshot, Octopi Notifier, Image Writer, KeyPass, and also Nights, to apply the Arc theme. So this is much nicer. Part of the system now, not standing alone. So I better do that and make another package for it, but that's how we do our stuff. That's how we control our system. All right, I'm out. Enjoy your GNOME system, and enjoy ArcoLinux as a total, because it can be a study for the coming 3, 4, 5 years if you wanted to. All right, enjoy.